in my nose.
Still rocking the mic. DJ. Oh yeah. This is the movement. Hey, what? Get louder, come on. Yo, Woodpecker, we going very loud and drop the bass. Yeah. Once again, drop the bass louder. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's going on?
Kick the motherfucking break in.
What? Kick that motherfucking. Kick that motherfucking bass drum. Kick it!
The motherfucking, kick 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 the motherfucking.
I control your body when it's time to rock a party.
Kick it! We're gonna kick it right now.
I control your body when.
controller. Mind controller. Mind controller. Mind controller. Mind controller, mind controller. Mind controller, mind controller.
I control your body when it's time to rock, rock.
Mind controller, mind controller. Mind controller, mind controller. Mind controller, mind controller. That's right, y'all. I'm the mind controller. Mind controller, mind controller.
I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party. I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party. I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party. I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party. I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party. I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party. I control your body when it's time to rock, rock the party.
Mind controller, mind controller. Check it out. The Force MC is in the building with DJ Woodpecker. Give it up voor DJ Woodpecker, come on! Zijn we een beetje wakker hier? Volgens mij verstaan ze geen Engels, maar ik ben tweetalig. Dus ik krijg jullie wel aan de gang. Yeah! Meet me. Woodpecker, come on! Roll the bass. Roll the bass. Let it roll. Let it flow too. Let it flow too. Let it flow too.
Hey, you, listen up.
Use it up.
Hey, you, loosen up.
We got to use it up.
Hey, you, listen up.
We've got to use it up.
Hey, you, loosen up.
Let's go.
Hey, you, listen up. Hey, you, loosen up. Hey, you, listen up. Hey, you, loosen up. Hey, you, listen up. Hey, you, loosen up.
Check it out.
Everybody knows that we got this.
We forgot to groove. Very old school song. Dark Raver. Gizmo. Yeah. We've got it what? Hey you, come on! flavor. We've got the hardcore juice, the hardcore flavor. We've got it, the juice. Yes, we've got it. Some hardcore flavor. We've got the juice. Oh yeah. Hey, you use it up.
What we're gonna do right here is go back,
Way back.
way back, back into time.
We're going back. Way back. Back to the old school. DJ. Let's make some party. So if you're ready, dance. Dance. And I say dance, 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 dance. Dance to the rhythm. And I say dance to the rhythm. Feel the music. Dance. This is the energy. Rock. We gonna rock, y'all. Let's go.
Bring that shit back one more time.
Once again, you can dance if you want to. DJ, bring that beat back one more time. Bring that beat back. Just one more time. We're gonna bring it back. Behind the desk, DJ Woodpecker. Bring it back. Bring that beat back one more time. Bring that beat back one more time. So bring that beat back one more time. Without the confusion. We used to confuse the system. So prove it.
I'm bigger and bolder and rougher and tougher. In other words, sucker, there is no other.
We're gonna dominate this place. Are you ready, Woodpecker?
I'm the one and only dominator.
Yes. I'm bigger. I'm bolder. I'm rougher. I'm tougher. You know why? I'm the only one that dominated. Yeah.
I'm the one and only dominator. I'm bigger and bolder and rougher and tougher. In other words, sucker, there is no other.
The Dominator. Wanna kiss myself? So let the bass go.
Take a moment of silence. 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 We are supposed to be in control. By allowing situations in life to overcome us versus overcoming the situations. We are supposed to be in control. Take a moment of silence. Take a moment of take a moment of take a moment of silence. Take a moment of silence.
That's right. kicking ass, cold kicking ass. As I turn the volume up, it's my
activity of any kind permitted.
that once again, DJ Woodpecker is in the building. It's just the music. So let it flow. So just a moment, we're gonna let it flow. Come on.